Most hockey players will stretch their hamstrings over and over again in hopes that it will release some hip tension and lower back tightness. Your hamstrings aren't tight because they're short. Your hamstrings are tight because they are too long. This is usually the case since when we're in a hockey stance, we push our pelvis forwards in an anterior pelvic tilt. Instead of overly stretching it, what we have to do is teach our hamstrings how to pull our pelvis back underneath our torso. And this feeling of soreness and tightness will then disappear. And this is how you do the exercise. Having a chair or bench around knee height, getting a small foam roller or a pillow to fit in between your hips. Laying on your back and placing your legs on the chair, you want to position your hips underneath your knees and your knees positioned parallel to your ankles in a 90-90 position. Double stacking a pillow and lightly putting it between your thighs, you want your hip, your knee, and your foot to line up. Gently pushing your heels down into the chair. Feel your tailbone lifting off the floor as your lower back stays straight. Aim for about a 4 or 5 out of 10 pressure here. You're going to take an inhale through your nose as your neck is fully relaxed, feeling your ribs expand upwards. On the exhale, you're going to breathe out through your mouth like you're fogging a mirror, feeling your ribs now stack over top of your pelvis. As you get to the very bottom of your exhale, you want to feel the side abs contract. You're going to hold this position for 2 to 3 breath cycles. Then you can slowly lower your tailbone down to the floor. When our pelvis is under control, it makes our skating more efficient and effective, generating more power through each stride.